So my name is Derek Wilson with CDO Advisors. And in this session, we're going to run through some different ways that you can use Power BI, transform your data from Excel or CSV into an online dashboard. So looks like we still have some people that can't hear me, but some that can. All right. Well, for anybody that can't hear, I'll send out a link to the video at the end. Zoom's been having problems with all the people on the working remotely due to COVID. So sorry about that. I'll try a different service time. All right. A couple of really quick slides here about who we are. CDO Advisors, business intelligence partner. We do predictive analytics and also data management on anything related to SQL Server, Microsoft Azure, enterprise architecture. We can help out that. And what we do, full-time Power BI, data warehousing, consulting, architecture, mentoring. We do both remote right now, on-site as well. And training. So if you have a team that you want to get trained on, we offer 4-hour developer training class, 2-hour engineering training class. And we also do projects that are traditional 3-6 month projects, or we do smaller kind of paid by month BI service. So that's kind of how we engage. So for Power BI, just to level set with everybody, because maybe everybody's not used to it. So the Power BI ecosystem here is really three parts. We've got Power BI Desktop, a Power BI Gateway, and PowerBI.com. So in this session, I'm going to show you how to hook up data into Power BI Desktop, publish it out to PowerBI.com, and then be able to access that data and let your team interact and be self-service. If you want to learn more about any of this, just PowerBI.com with all of the Microsoft information about Power BI. So this is a fairly old slide that Microsoft had out. Power BI now, and the number keeps growing. It used to be over 60 something different data connectors, and they're always adding things to it. So as you continue to use, be it Power BI, know that Microsoft is monthly adding new features and functionality, some of which is connection to new data sources. And again, just to kind of put the pieces together. So Power BI desktop is what I'm going to show you. Here we're going to connect to Excel files. That's where you author reports and dashboards. So that's your development environment. You build the reports, then you publish it out to PowerBI.com. Once it's on PowerBI.com, it's really the host environment for your data and reports. It can be secured different ways, and then your end users will come in and access your reports on PowerBI.com to analyze data. So that's really all the slides. Now we'll jump over into some demos. So I've got a finance demo, office equipment sales, and if we have time at the end, we'll get into crime maps. What you do, just to kind of show different things that can be done. So I need to switch over to Power BI. So this is Power BI, and what I'm going to do for this one is set up. Sorry. I'm going to open a new Power BI desktop and walk everybody through how you access this data. So you can see you have lots of different choices for data access. The most common are Excel, they put right up there to make it easy for everybody. You can look at a SQL server, and then through this Get Data tab. Here are the most common. So SQL Server analysis services, text files. You can look into web data, OData, and then the list just keeps going. So this will open up here. And this is opening all the data connectors. Just take a second. Yeah. So now you can see you have file data sources you can access, different databases, SQL, Oracle, IBM, Snowflake's out there now, Google Big Data, the Power Platform itself, if you're familiar with Power Apps, Azure data sources, different online service providers, so the Dynamics 365, Salesforce, Google Analytics. And then they just have a bucket of others, Spark, Python script, Fire server, healthcare. So lots of different options. So to get to this view that we have here, I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. This. So this is just a sample data that I have for some finance information. So I'm going to go out. Right. I've got my file open. This one's in Excel. So I'm going to go into my financial sample data and wire that up. And what I'm doing is I'm telling Power BI I want to read the data from this Excel workbook, and I can go in. It opens the workbook. It shows me the worksheets. In this case, I want the financial sheet. Gives me a preview over here of what's in the data, so I can make sure I'm looking at the right sheet, and that's the one I want. For now, I'm just going to load it because my data is set up. And this could be anything, right? So I've used this with ERP data extracts, CRM data extracts, really anything that you can either hook directly into a table in your application, or if you have reports that you can pull out of your application that are CSV Excel file. Maybe your application engine will let you schedule those reports and run them. Then that's one way that you grab that data and pull it into Power BI. So now this is Power BI desktop. This white area here of the canvas, and you can see this is my financials. So these are all of my values columns in my financials Excel sheet. So it's really easy to get started. So say I want to look at this is my sales date. You can see it has a little date picker on it. I can look at it up here. Once I select it, I go to column tools, and it'll tell me, well, the date, data type date, and now I can format it. So in this case, I just want it to be a short format. And just like in Excel or most reporting tools, it'll let me format that. So now I can click on it. It's going to add it to a generic visualization here. So it's got here. And then I want to look at my sales by product. And I want to know what my total sales are. So little Sigma sign telling me that's doing an aggregation. So here it's created a lovely chart. These are product names. I don't really want product like that. So for this one, I'm going to take product off. And now here I can easily see my sales. There's lots of options as far as I can change colors. I can turn data labels on and off to make it easier to see. My axis, if I want it to look a little cleaner. Right. So now I've got my 2018, 2019 sales. Let's say I want to cut that information by the actual date of sale. There's a filter option here where I can go in. So now I've got my date, the filter. So if I only want to look at 2019 sales, right? So now I have 2019. And before I do a lot of drilling into information, I'm just going to pull out my product, and I want my sales and the units sold. So pretty easy information. You can see my sales here is not formatted as a dollar. I can fix that by clicking on sales, and just like in Excel, right? I can come in and say I want this currency. So now it's going to go through, format everything as currency. My units sold, well, I don't need zeros on that, so I can down to units sold. Just make that a comma. So I just want it to be formatted. And again, like Excel, get rid of the zeros after the decimal point. So now I've got a pretty simple report that shows me all of my sales. I can visually look at it, and everything's interactive. So I click on sales and sort my sales. No, these are all right. Sorry. These still have needing zeros. Let's go back here. So instead of auto, I want that to zero. All right, month sales. Zero after the value. There we go. That looks better. So now I my sales, my unit sold. I've sorted it. I can put it by unit sold. If I just click on unit sold. Right. Now it's smallest, largest. Now this is where it gets interesting. Here, like I only have 1 year of data, but if I hover over it, I get these other options to drill down. So I can drill into my data, and it already knows that a year breaks into quarters. And I can see my sales by quarter. And if I drill down again, it'll take me all the way down to my sales by month. And again, if I was to go one more time, right, it'll actually give me all of my data set for first day of the month. And then I can go back up. So if I did have underlying data sales all the way down to the day, as an end user, I can just click and get all the way down to the lowest level of detail in that report. And now here, since I've got it broken out by month, I might want to know this Montana product. If I click on that, I just left clicked on Montana. Well, now it's going to show me the 11.4 in sales, 117,000 units sold, and it's showing me within my bar, the highlighted portion is Montana compared to everything else. So in the month of April, I sold 6.9 million worth of sales. 2.8 of that was the Montana product. Compared to March, where we sold 5.58, and we only sold 118,000. So again, no coding, I don't have to do anything. I can do that with the other product well, and build all of that out. On the fly, if I want to look at units sold, I can, wherever I click, it's going to tie to the product, this graph is going to be interactive. So that's a few of the things that you do. So I'm just going to move this graph here. Another thing that we do is look at let's see, I think the country on this one is, yep. So here's country. You can see it's already plotting information. Canada, so I must have all these countries in my data. And then again, I don't have latitude and longitude. It's using country location. And I might want to look at, how many units were sold. So now that's my size. So if you do anything with customers and you want to understand relative impact of where your customers are, if you have the address, you can geocode it down to latitude and longitude. As you can see here, it will take latitude and longitude. If you just have an address, it will get as close as it can with the address and put all that information in there. And again, if I hover over it, I'm at 185,000 units sold in North America. Well, if I click on that, everything else is filtered to North America. So now I can actually see what are my sales in North America compared to everywhere else with the exact detail and the sum of the part to the whole. Likewise, if I go over here to Europe, I click on Germany, right? I can see what I sold in Germany. So a very easy way to go through and build out a lot of information. So that is the finance one. Looks a little bit different, but the same type of information I got. So the other demo that I wanted to run through is office sales. I'm going to open this one up. In this case, I have a data set. Let me open that so you guys see what it looks like. Office supplies. So this is another Excel workbook that I have opened up. Where again, you could just if your current systems allow you to download the data and pull that information in. You don't have to build a data warehouse. You don't have to have a large reporting environment. It's really quick to go through and actually do analysis on this information. So you can see here, this is just an order header table with details already in it. So I've got my order date, ship date, lots of different information. I've got city, state, location, postcode, the product, what the total sales were, quantity, and then the profit. So pretty common information that you can pull out of your ERP sales information. So same thing. This one I went in, get data. Excel hooked it into Excel is a bigger file, so I don't want to pull it in again. But as you can see, I have different categories. I have a lot of things. This is a sample data file that I don't have categories for. But I do have like my binders here. If I click on binders, it's going to tell me total quantity, how many I had sold. And in this case, the postal code is doing a heat map. Now, this is kind of a sparse data set. I'm in Houston, so I'm just going to drill into the Houston area. And you can see, all right, so here's my Houston data. I can look at it this way, kind of figure out where my sales are. This is total sales. So if I hover over here, this postal code 77041. Like again, I didn't have to build anything. This is completely out of the box. I'm not coding. I can click on just total sales 77741, and these are all the products that were sold at that particular zip code. So if you're an online store, or if you sell again to certain customers, you want to know where your customers are located, what they're buying. I imported the data. I built this map, and within 15 minutes, I can see exactly what's going on with the customer's data that I have. Here you can see, same thing. I've got machine sales, phone sales. So very quickly, I can spot that information. Likewise, I built another same data set. So just like Excel, I've got multiple worksheets. And you can have lots of worksheets in your Power BI report. My sales trends. Now I've got my different cities. So I see New York has the most sales, and LA, Seattle. If I want to look at it as a data grid, I can do that. Maybe I want a bar chart. This is the same information, but you can see it's shortened to the format that makes it easier to read. So now if I click on, let's say, Seattle, all of my data is going to drop to Seattle, and my bar and line chart over here, which are showing these are my sales, total sales, and the line is my quantity. So I can see, here my sales went up, and my quantity was kind of high. In 2015, my sales were down a little bit, but my quantities were lower. So I must have had higher margin on my sales that year. And then things kind of started taking off after that. So this is sales quantity, and this is sales profit. And again, these are just a few of the data visualizations that you can use. Like I click on 16, everything's going to get filtered just to 2016. I can export this data if I want to go in and see what is going on in 2016. I can actually go through, export that data as a CSV file, and it will pull out the data underneath that visualization. So you can get back out what you put in. And then the last bit here is I'm going to actually open up Power BI. So I've taken those reports, and I have a Power BI instance. And when you're done with your report, if you have Power BI, you click publish and tell it where you want to put it. And it actually takes the data and the report and publishes it out to Power BI. So in this case, I have Power BI overview, data set, and here you can see different reports that I have. The financial sample. This is the same data, just slightly different view. Where you can see I came in here and built out different information. I've got different graphs. Again, it's all fully interactive. Where I can click on things, see the percentage of whole. Here's my Montana product down here. Let's see where am I selling Montana? Well, the government businesses, or government sector is doing those, small business. And that's just one of the reports. So as I build these reports out and add to them over time, my users get more and more insights. So this is the report that we were looking at. You can see it's taking all that information. This is the plugin to go get the mapping information. It's going to map it. In this case, it's drilled down to Baton Rouge. Click on Hattiesburg, Mississippi. See what was sold there. And then over on sales trends, here's the same reports that we looked at. So this report and what you can do with your data and kind of quick wins, small projects is a lot different now using Power BI than traditional. Let me take the data, do a large ETL project, put it into a repository, maybe build a data warehouse on top of that, put star schemas on top of the data warehouse, and then push analysis services on top of star schemas, and have Power BI or another product hooked into the analysis service tabular model or warehouse. A lot of that I've had really good success with customers not having to do any of that. Literally taking the data that they already have. In some cases, even current reports, the report logic is good, but it prints out like a static reporting service style report, tabular report. Well, we can take the output of that report, use that as a source, and then surface it up to Power BI. So once it's out here, I can share it with people. There's an app on, there's a Power BI app. You can put it on your tablet or phone. And on this one, let me pull this back up. You can actually custom build phone layout views. So if you've got a report, and I wanted to build a view that was specifically for a phone, I can actually take the same visualization and I can put it on my phone. And when somebody uses the Power BI app and they come in and they access that on their phone, they would be able to change the date and they would be able to see the values. And if that data is being refreshed a couple of times a day, every night, no matter where you are, you can access your data. You don't have to remote desktop into something to go access and see what your data is showing. So that is the condensed version of Power BI overview of how you can take Excel data and transform it into a powerful online analytic tool. You can really give your users and your management team a lot more insights by getting the data into a platform like this. So this is all my contact information. If you have any questions or want to learn more, send me an email to dwilson at CDO Advisors. I'm giving everybody that contacts me if they would like a free 30-minute consult to talk about anything, everything related to data. So if you're already doing Power BI and you know what else you can do with it, happy to talk about that. If you're curious about getting into Power BI, let me know, and happy to have that discussion as well. So with that, our time's up. Appreciate everybody joining. Like I said, if you have any questions, please let me know, and thanks for attending.